This is the most realistic timeline of falling in love caught on camera. Look at the beginning. Distance, the awkward side hugs, the stiffness. But just wait until you see the body language shift.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by and I'll tell without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want desire. I imagine.
If this video restored your faith in romance and made you smile today, like the video and subscribe for more simple moments that remind us what really matters.